So a little over 113 days ago, I decided to fund a Moomoo account with $500 to prove to you, you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to get started with trading. All you need is a solid strategy. So welcome back to the channel. My name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market, and we're going to be doing a breakdown video of the trades that we took, the profit or loss that we made. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys are new, like and subscribe right now. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading or trading in the stock market, check out my school. It's absolutely fantastic. I highly recommend it. We have private live streams. We have group chat, quizzes, lectures. It's absolutely fantastic. And the thing is I don't believe in alerts. I believe in teaching people the proper steps to make money from trading in the stock market. It's like having a guide to help you navigate through the ocean. So check it out down below. And right now, for the first 5 people, code half off to get 50% off the course. And guys, I know when you hear YouTubers telling you, schools and online courses, you think it's a scam. I get it, but guys, it's different. We have a whole bunch of fantastic testimonies. Check it out. I'll put it down below, Swing Trading Masterclass. But guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week, we did have a fantastic week. We took one trade and we made near and around 6% or a profit near and around $85. I'll put this statement right here so everybody can see. Now we bought this stock at about $4.50 and we sold it near and around $5.10. So let's break down this trade. So looking at it here, you guys can see this is our account here. We have ABSI, which is the stock that we traded. Looking at it here, we have that beautiful upward trend, which is so important for trading or even just long-term investing. Trends are probably one of the most underrated thing traders don't look at. Now, ABSI has had this great growth, gone from about $1.11 all the way up to $6. So we know there's a good amount of buying pressure behind it, which is great. Now, you guys can see I drew out this line here. Now, this line represents a support line as well as a resistance line. So when the stock is below it, we see tendencies of resistance. Now you guys can see it hits it once, twice, and 3 times. And we did get this little breakout where it started now using it as support here. So it hits it once, twice, recently hits it again. Now, as we delete this line, what do you notice here? We have that blue line. Now, that blue line is what we call a 90-day moving average line. This is an indicator that traders use for a trend indication as well as support and resistance. So like I said, support is a lot of buying pressure, resistance is selling pressure. So you guys can see comes in contact with it here. Now the thing about this trade here is I like to have as many indicators as I can in my favor. I understand we have good price support, right? You guys can see good price support because getting a lot of buying pressure at that certain price. Another thing that we had here was that moving average line, as well as the RSI line. As we look at this green squiggly line down on the bottom here, this is what we call the RSI, also known as the relative strength index. This pretty much determines if a stock's overvalued or undervalued. And the great thing about it is you can use this with your trades to find opportunity. So as we zoom out, this RSI was trading for near and around a 29, which historically anything under like a 30 or even a 32 is considered undervalued and could have a lot of upside potential. So the last time it was trading for that was all the way back in here, where the stock went from about $1.11 all the way up to about $1.48, which might not seem like much, but guys, that move itself was about a 34% return. And if I can make 34% in a couple of days, I'm going to do so. So the thing about this is we took this nice trade. And one of the reasons why we actually sold it here was for a variety of reasons. With this small account, the biggest thing is just consistency. It's not about making these home run trades where you're trying to buy it at the peak bottom and sell it all the way up at the peak top. When you hold positions for that long, as well as that type of risk tolerance, it's just a little more risky. And growing a small account, one of the biggest things, like I was saying, is consistency. It's those base hits of 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this circumstance, it was a 6.53% return, which is awesome. So I was super happy with that. And the thing about this and with my trade, especially with my small account, is I use something called a trailing stop loss. So as the stock goes up and up and up and up, just like we've seen, I move my stop loss about 2% behind with my small account. With my larger account, it is a little different because I have a little more capital and I can have a little more risk tolerance. So, but with my small account, I need to have my stops a little tighter as well as take profits a little sooner. The biggest thing with trading that I think a lot of people don't realize is I've never lost money taking profit. Now, what that means is if you think about it, when you're up on your money, you should have no emotion tied to it. You should be very happy that you won that game. And so take profit, sit on the sideline, watch what happens. And with this circumstance, yes, I do hold some shares with my larger account, but with my small account, I'm gladly able to sell these stocks and then move on to other opportunity. And guys, there's a whole bunch of other opportunity in the market. We'll go ahead and show you. So we're in on actually two positions. One position is target, looking for a move from the 90 moving average line up to this trend line. And then with Ross Stores, we are looking for a very undervalued move on the RSI, as well as some nice support here. As you guys can see, boom, nice little move there. Boom, move here. Hopefully we can get a push going forward up to levels. Let's go ahead and draw it out. Near and around, actually, it's almost current price of about 132. That's kind of my plan, my mindset with the stock and some of these positions. But guys, look at all your trades as opportunities. Highly recommend getting a trading notebook or even just a notebook in general so you guys can start documenting your journey. And if you don't have a journal, this is why the Swing Trading Masterclass is so awesome, because boom, we give you a free ebook. This is the paperback. You guys can get it down below. But guys, you guys get a free one in the masterclass. So check it out. Guys, it's absolutely great. We'll see you guys in there. This is pretty much how much money we made, how much money we lost, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next. Take care.